Good morning, welcome back to my channel. So right now it's 7 in the morning and me and my friend Samastan are going to leave for Zanskar and see the mighty Gombo Rongjong. So without any further delay, let's leave, and this is the fate for today. So I think we better leave. So guys, this is my setup, this is the mic and this is the camera, and let's see if the footages come nice. Let's go. Guys, the trip has finally started and we've covered around 45 kilometers already, and I'm starting the vlog from here because pehle the weather was very cloudy and it was raining also a bit, but then now finally the sun has come out and now I feel like moto vlogging, guys. As you guys know, we're going to Zanskar obviously, and today we are taking the route from Chiling, which has been recently opened, and pehle it used to take around 11-12 hours to reach Zanskar, but thankfully through this road it will only take us around 3 hours, roughly 3 hours. I've already been to Zanskar. I went there with my family about 10 days ago and it was really good, and that's when I realized that I have to come again, but on a bike. The road is pretty good and the weather also, guys, it's perfect. It's around 25 degrees Celsius. Samstana is going full speed, guys. He's on his Bullet 500 and I'm not even able to catch up with him. And yeah, we're gonna ride slow, carefully, and just enjoy. No rash riding, guys. I've always wanted to make moto vlogs like this. It has been a long dream of mine to make such videos for my YouTube, and I'm really grateful for my life, for my parents and everything. I'm really grateful that I'm able to go on trips like this on a bike with my friend, have fun. Sometimes I feel like I don't deserve these things, and I don't know, as my father says, it's all karma. It's because of the good deeds that we did in our previous lives. We are riding a Himalayan in the Himalayas, that too in Ladakh. I don't think it can get any better than this. Like, it's a dream for most of the bikers to ride in Ladakh. Oh, Bhaski! Can't see shit, guys. Oi, oi, oi. Hats off to that mountain, man, I swear. I personally call that the mini Gombo Rongjong. The crazy way. From Misho. Guys, Gombo Rongjong from Misho. Really grateful for this life, guys. Like, I have zero regrets even if I die today. I'm not gonna die. Touch wood, touch wood. But like, I don't have any regrets. I've always enjoyed my life to the fullest, and I will do so in the future also. Also, from my personal experience, everything's gonna work out some way or the other. July! And guys, these are the real heroes, I swear. Without them, I don't think we could ever make roads like this at such high elevation. And guys, they come from UP, Bihar and such far away places from Ladakh just to work here and earn a living for their family. And I swear, from the bottom of my heart, hats off to them, man. I swear, though they are the real heroes. We though are comparatively nothing. We're just using the roads that they made on a good bike, comfortably making vlogs, having fun. Like that is real struggle, guys. I swear. Hoi 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 hoi. Tanu dugale. Smooth as butter. But then if you're a tourist, I would recommend you to ride slowly because roads in Ladakh are really unexpected. You don't know what's gonna be there on the next turn. The perks of being a local is that you know the roads. I don't think I should be that overconfident. I should ride slowly to be honest. But come on guys, who can resist from riding fast on roads like this and views like this? It's like cherry on top, guys. I don't know if you guys can see it or not, but that there's this waterfall which is coming straight from the mountain, like inside of the mountain, and you can't see the source, and it's magical. Right here. I forgot. So we just took some pictures here. Shkebe! The views are too good, man. Too good to be true. In this trip, I really want to take a bath in a river, in a lake, or whatever. But I am gonna take a bath somewhere. And we entered Zanskar, guys. Finally, I'm really excited. I don't know why. Guys, ignored. Uchula! I can't ignore that. Right now, I got embarrassed. But that's only for 3 seconds. Now I'm not. And you guys should be like that too. You know, forget about embarrassing moments. Anyways, we bought some snacks, a Red Bull and a Blue Lace. So we're just gonna sit there and eat it. And then we'll have breakfast, brunch in Padum. How's the ride so far?
It was not bad. The road was quite good actually, but I'm enjoying it.
So we're sitting by this river. Now we're gonna have some Red Bull. So guys, I'm on the Bullet now, and it has its own feel. It's like a completely different vibe, I would say. The feel that you get on a Bullet, and I just got ignored once again. But no worries, who gives a big shit? I feel like this bike is more comfortable than the Himalayan 450. I think it's mainly because of the raised handlebars. I really don't think life could get any better than this. And guys, it really means a lot, being here with him. Because I think we've been friends for more than 14 years now. And I think it's a good opportunity to, catch up with him and, spend some quality time, because lately we haven't been, seeing each other that much. But the thing with guys, friendship is that even if you don't meet for like a whole year, the friendship stays the same. And that's the thing I like about being friends with him. What? Guys, surprisingly, this bullet is, working really nicely, smoothly. After, riding this bike makes me wanna buy a Harley Davidson. But I guess I'm more into sports bike and stuff rather than cruiser bikes. So guys, we finally reached Padum. So guys, we've reached, and right now we'll have brunch. I'm having rice and dal. He's having momo. And then we'll leave for Gumborong. So we've been riding for like more than 6 hours now, and we both are a bit tired, but it's fun. Well, so you had to walk also to reach Phuktal for like an hour or two, but now they've made a good road, so you only have to walk for like around 15 minutes. So it's very convenient now to go to Phuktal. Both of our bums are really tired. Last the shul sharaga leta zapik mani. Spiba Zumarak. The wind is too strong, guys. Mana nakung kurang ni ban chachik sa lelus pe. Guys, the wind is so strong that both of my noses are blocked. Nostrils. In this type of wind, even if a small tiny piece of rock hits your head, it feels like someone's poking you with a needle, man. I don't know if I'll be able to climb this hill back, so I think I'll just head back. I don't think I should take a risk right now. Oops! Yashkatle! Derung gante no gomborong jong. So guys, finally we've reached at Gurgaon, and it's mesmerizing, guys. And now we'll go ahead, go there, eat something, and head back to Padum. And the sun is finally coming out, guys. So we've been riding for 7 hours now, and it's time to take a rest. So bye. So, take a last look, guys, at the mighty Gombo Ramjong. And now we'll leave. We both are really hungry. After a few years, I will watch this vlog and will cherish these moments again. But for now, we're hungry, so let's go and have something. Bye bye. Oh, below. Chilo. Ay, jet. Kiki saso largalo. May patne ho. Ho bandu patna siri ho. So I think tomorrow if the Chilliwala road is open tomorrow, we'll go from there, or else we'll have to take the longer route from Kargil, which is also very nice. If we go from that route, we'll be able to see the Rangdrung glaciers, which is, I think, I'll keep Rangdrung glaciers on top of Gombo Ramjong. It's prettier and more aesthetic, but Gombo Ramjong is no less, guys. Yashkobe, yeah! Dead from the Dugle, no. So right now we're heading back, and we're here resting for a bit near this beautiful khet. And finally the sun is up, guys. Gombo Ramjong mein to it was really cold. Anyways, I think we'll reach in Padum at around 6. 6:30. मैं क्या 40 मिनट धरूं? आधा घंटे को दिन लाया. यहाँ से it will take us around 30 minutes more, and then there we'll find a homestay. And tomorrow we'll head back. A very small water crossing here. I think the biggest water crossing that I witnessed was when I bought my bike in Manali, and when I was coming back from Manali to Leh. And तब तो वैसे भी the roads were pretty bad, and on top of that there was a flood, and we were stuck in Manali for almost a week. And then when the roads got opened, the condition was like so bad, like the whole highway was gone, and it was like pura rough patch. And on top of that there was like so many water crossings, like one after another. And tab to I didn't even know how to ride properly, and I don't know why, but I didn't even fell even once. But somehow I managed to cross that too on a Continental GT with very less experience of riding. So this is a piece of cake, guys, piece of cake for me. see guys, Samson is on a Himalayan and he still can't catch up with me. And the brakes are also not that good on this bike. But the brother knows how to do engine braking with rough matching. Just like this. Oh, so I think we've entered Padum now. So we found this very good guest house here in Padum. So many people here, and the room is also nice. Yeah, it's filled with people, so it's very lively. Yeah, I think it's a good stay. The funny thing is that we were standing out right outside the guest house, searching for a guest house, and then I looked behind, and there it was. So yeah, very good find. Bye. Today we rode for around 6-7 hours, and Samstan is really tired. I'm not, and yeah, we'll rest for a bit, and then we'll head out to have dinner somewhere. Samsung is rocked like near flop guys. Wait. 10 on 10 spot guys, 10 on 10. So guys, we're going back from this beautiful spot. I think this is one of the prettiest spot that I've ever been to, and I'm really happy guys, I swear. Now we'll go back, have dinner and sleep, and let's see what happens tomorrow. Hey Samson, how's the ride today?
Känns ready में.
Cute things that you do. I think viewers gune fair. Anyways guys, आज का ride was really good. 10 on 10 for me.
Then I never meant to do those things to you.
Good morning from Padum village. So today we'll be visiting there's a good news today. So usually the Chilingwala road opens only on Wednesday and Sundays, but today is Thursday and it's open because there's a Rinpoche that will come today from that road. So our guest house owner told us that the road will be open full day. So today we'll explore Zangskar village, Padum village a bit more, and then we'll leave for Leh. And yeah, right now we're going to that monastery. I don't know if you guys can see it or not. It's a bit far away from here, but we're going there. And so far the trip has been magical. It's been amazing. And that secret spot that Samstan took us yesterday evening was on another level, guys. You living chinokle?
you living pipi thing in over.
PP thing. A bit weird for Ladakhi people, this name. No. Ikang. You living a chinok?
Hi?
You living a chinok?
PP thing.
PP thing. Ikan gompa samsi gorano. Ganta pet.
Ganda fed goran.
Yo jule. beautiful and amazing places, man. I feel like Ladakh itself is a whole different country because it has so many things that you can, explore. देख दिखा लेता मैंने ओए होए होए cute little kids.
Guys, right now we're going to the monastery, going inside the monastery to get some blessing, and then we'll leave from here and we'll check out the waterfall. And there are little monks who are singing prayers that we used to sing in, kindergarten. So I don't know, it feels a bit nostalgic. I think chef much long make I think it's because we got very good rest last night. I slept like a baby, and by the view, everything is so good from here. Samstan, though yesterday he was about to die. Right now today he's feeling a bit better. It's a very long way up there. I'm not tired, but Samson is very tired.
No, I'm not tired at all.
As you can tell by his breathing, he is tired. And as you know, I'm very athletic, so I'm doing good.
Shut your...
Samson le, şikit para le.
Oi, oi, oi. खुला खुला आराम से So guys, right now we are going to Sheila waterfall. It's 5 kilometers from the main road, and that off-roading part was good. We had fun, and we were not disturbing any wildlife because there was already a road there. Sheila, you have my heart. I think next year when this year when I'm in college and I get like a winter or summer break, I'm gonna take out a bike like this and travel for like a whole week. I swear, bhai. Like this is another type of therapy, Like I think this is one of the best therapies that you can take. Like comparatively, it costs the same as much as therapy, but it's way better, man. But then sometimes it can give you frustrations also. Like suppose if something happens to your bike and then you get frustrated. But I feel like that's also part of the experience and the adventure. Ika bike खेल्न जानाले Ika bike खेल्न जानाले up. Oi, sponsored by Royal Enfield. Nice. But
So guys, we're finally at Sheila Waterfall. The water is crystal clean. Crystal blue is our pachi clean. Clear, it's clear. But sadly swimming is not allowed here. So let's find another place to swim. Imagine all the people.
cute. We also used to go on trips like that, and it used to be so fun, guys. Those guys are the one who's enjoying the most. Chocolate candy, Jesus, please hold the place for my oh, let me come home. So they're making a new road. Kale, Yulchunga Raks aga chana. Yulchunga Raks ikete gau. Ikanela.
So we've reached Yulchung Iraqs and Leh is only about an hour from here, and I think it's time to end the vlog. Samstan, how was the trip? What?
It was quite good actually, but everything was perfect. The road, weather, and the view, it was amazing. Since it's my first time doing a long trip on bike, it was quite challenging. I wouldn't say it was really hard, but it was definitely challenging because at one point my back was hurting like hell. Yeah, I really enjoyed it, that's it.
Same, whatever he said. And I think the best part of the trip was the company that I'm with. I don't think without him the trip would be this awesome and fun.
True.
And overall, I hope we can go on trips like this in the future also. We will. And I think that's it. Goodbye. Make sure to like, share and subscribe, guys, please. If you like motor vlogs, do comment. Bye. I told you guys that I will take a bath somewhere, and look what I just found, guys. It's right beside Slay Road. It's a bit awkward, but the water is crystal clear. So let's go. Whoa. It's a bit cloudy, guys, but still it's very hot. So whoa! It was refreshing. Goodbye. some moments you just know you're gonna carry with you for the rest of your life. And I think this trip is gonna be one of those moments. Riding through Zanskar with my childhood best friend, seeing places like this, it's something I know I'll look back on years from now and smile. I hope this is just the beginning of so many more adventures, and I want to keep documenting all of it so someday I can sit with my kids, watch these videos and tell them this was me when I was your age. Until the next adventure, thanks for watching. Goodbye.